So today I'm going to talk about BuildR 2 and give everyone a general overview of how to use this asset. Once you've imported it into your project, like we have here, you can see that we have the BuildR 2 project folder, and you can access the general tools of BuildR up here in the BuildR menu. Here we can just click on Create New Building, and it will create and select a new building for you to use in Unity. Now the first thing we need to do is create the initial volume. Of the four options here, we can start off by placing a square volume. We click here and place it into the scene view, and here we can see a basic volume here. We can also click drag a rectangle shape, that could be any rectangle shape. And finally we can free draw any sort of shape we want in the scene view like this. So we'll start off with just a basic square building. Now what we can do here is edit the building floor height, and we can change the number of floors so that we can have a slightly taller building. Now next I want to apply a facade to our building, and this is a bit different than from version 1, where we now have facade styles. And here, as you can see, we can just drag a facade style directly from our project view onto a selected BuildR facade, and it will update it as we drop it on there. Next we can look into editing roofs. At the moment we have three options. I'm going to show you the pitched and the mansard roofs along with the default flat roof. But for now we'll stick with mansard, and we'll add some dormer windows to it. And here you can see we can edit the basic values of the dormer windows. We can also apply a wall section style to the dormer window facades. We're just going to go with a simple classic window. Now with the roof we need to apply textures individually, and in BuildR we have what we call surfaces, which contain a little bit more data than your standard Unity materials, so that we can generate the appropriately sized textures. Now next we're going to generate an interior for our building. There are two ways that you can create rooms in BuildR. The first way, as we can see here, is that we can drag place rectangles. The second method is we can click place the rooms by clicking on points on the floor plan and putting down walls. With this method we can define far more complex and interesting room layouts. And as you can see, in order to complete, you need to click on the initial point. With our rooms we can also apply a room style which defines for us the textures of the walls, the floor and the ceiling. The final thing we can add into an interior is a vertical space. which defines a space that can traverse multiple floors in a volume. Here we can set it up to be a stairwell that goes from the ground floor across all of the floors of the volume to provide access from the ground floor up.